Hi everyone, today we will talk about Mailchimp automation sequence. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Mailchimp website. Okay, so let's just have a look at the pricing of the Mailchimp. Okay, in the price section, we can see the different packages, but we can start with the free package. Okay, so let's just sign up here and you will need to fill the business email, username and the password, and inside that you will also have to fill other details. So I have already created an account, so I will simply log in my Mailchimp account. Alright, so now you can see here we are logged into our Mailchimp account. Okay, so before creating the automation sequence, we have to do the two things. The first one is to get the audience or add the audience to our Mailchimp account, and the second thing is that we have to create the email for that audience, and after creating that email we will be creating the campaign in which we will create the automation sequence. So how can we get the audience? As we know, whenever we go to any website, they come with some kind of the sign up forms or newsletters or anything related to that. So as you can see here, we can have the embedded forms, the subscribers pop-up, content form, or so with these kind of forms we get our audience. Okay, if I want to check my audience, okay, I will actually go to the all contacts and you will get to see your audience here. Okay, as you can see here, I only have a single member. One more thing here, you can add the contacts by your own self. Okay, if you want to add a subscriber or import the contacts, you can do it by your own self. So if you want to add a subscriber, you will click on the add a subscriber, and then you would have to fill the details about that subscriber and you would actually save or subscribe that particular person. Okay, so this is how we get our audience. Okay, so the second part is to create an email. So how can we create an email? So for that I will actually click on the create, and from here you can see the three options: regular email, automation, or landing page. So if I want to create the landing page for some kind of sign up or to get the data, I will actually build a landing page. And if I want to do the automation sequence, I will create a journey. But if I want to design an email or create an email, I will actually click on design email. So this is how we will actually create an email for our audience. Alright, so now you can see here we have bunch of different kind of templates for our emails. So I will just simply go with any template here. So I want to go with the bold. Okay, so you can actually edit your email here if you want to edit. If you want to edit the content, you can edit it from here. If you want to add the layout, you can edit or add the layout from here. And if you want to change the colors of email, text, link, button, divider, you can actually do it from here. You can also change the other formatting from here. And if we go into the mobile, you will get to see the mobile version of that email. Okay, so this is how you can actually create your email with your own content. So let's just save and exit for now. Alright, so now you can see here this is a structure of our email. The first one is to that whom I want to send an email from our company or the agency. Okay, we have the subject, we have the send time and the content, etc. So I will just finish this thing later. So we have the email now. Now what I would do, I would simply create a campaign. Okay, so for the campaign I would first go into the all campaigns, and as you can see here, a create new option, I would simply click on here and it would create the campaign for us. As you can see here, we are having the three options of regular, email, automation, and landing page. And as we know, for automation sequence I have to create a journey. So I will actually create a journey here. So journey is kind of a map. Okay, so let me just give you a simple example. If someone is signing up for your product, and as we know, we actually get the data from the user. So when we get the data from the user, we will send them an email of a welcome email. Okay, and after that we will send them another email. Okay, so these are a kind of flows. So let me just show you a few examples. So for example, we will start with the welcome new contacts. Okay, so let's just go inside this journey. We can use the pre-built journeys and we can also create our own journey. So let's just say a contact or a person sign up to our product or our website. Okay, whenever customer signs up for our product, we will actually send them a welcome email. Okay, so this is actually a simple journey and it is pre-built by the Mailchimp, and you can also go for the other journey. So let's just go for create a repeat customer. Okay, so the first thing is a contact our person buys any product, and after a delay of the time we have sent him an email, okay, and a special offer. You can get a special kind of discount or anything like that, and regardless of his response, after 3 days we will send him another email of the special offer, and after that we will add the tag and it will actually end the journey here. Alright, so this is the create repeat customers journey. So I will actually create a custom journey here. So we will actually go back to the all journeys and I will actually create, or I can actually use this journey for the customization. So let's just open this. Okay, so now you can see here I have already created this journey, and in the journey the first thing is the starting point. Okay, so someone is signing up for your product is a start point. Okay, we can also add the other kinds of start point such as the birthday, sign up, tag added, send an email, and we also have the e-commerce related starting points. So let's just take an example of the birthday. So if we have the user or the customer that has recently signed up and we know that in the next week we have his birthday, so I would actually add the 7 days. So I can add the 90 days maximum. Okay, so let's just save the starting point. Okay, so you can see here contact is added 7 days before their birthday. So if someone is added before the 7 days of their birthday or the 15 days of their birthday, we will actually send them an email. Okay, but so we won't be sending them the birthday email just after his birthday or her birthday is started. We will send them with the delay of 2 hours. Okay, after the email I will send him or her another email of a survey. So if he filled the survey, he will get an email of check our products after a week. But if he does not fill the survey, then it would actually exit the journey. He won't have any kind of email if he does not fill the survey. Okay, so this is how we can actually create the custom automation sequence. So how can I add the things? So these were the starting points. Okay, so maximum we can add the 3 starting points, but if you want to add a new journey point, you will simply add a new journey point, and it could be the if else condition, percentage split, wait for the trigger, time delay, send email, send a survey in an email, and we also have these other things as well. Okay, so this is how we add the journey points to our journey map. Okay, and after creating our journey map, if we want to activate a customer journey that we have created for the customer, we need to upgrade our plan, or in the simple words, you can't use the automation sequence in the free plan. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.